True or false? Hepatitis B, C and HIV can be spread through sneezing, coughing or kissing. The answer is of course false. They are only spread through blood-to-blood contact and sexual body fluids. That's why it's important to always consider blood-borne virus prevention strategies like using condoms with lubricant and never sharing injecting equipment. To find out more about blood-borne virus prevention strategies, or to purchase condoms and lube, or access NSP services, contact us here at redthread.org.au.